With the upgrade in the applications of artificial intelligence and new terminal products, high-performance computing chips are playing an increasingly important role. It is followed by an increasing demand for fine ceramic substrates in high-precision and high-reliability microelectronic components. Therefore, development and technical solutions for high-precision passive components and new end product components are essential in our daily lives. It has gradually become an essential core for future social development and industrial competition in advanced countries to develop light and thin electronic products, such as 5G applications, Internet of Vehicles, electric vehicles, autonomous driving, automotive electronics, sensors, 3D sensing, high-power LED, laser diode, solar energy, Internet of Things, computers, and smartphones. However, the extreme performance, such as how to optimize the core technology of fine ceramic substrate processing, improve quality, reduce energy consumption, and enhance efficiency and reliability, has become a great challenge in the trend of high precision with lighter and thinner design. Leatec Fine Ceramics Company Limited was established in 1991 in Taiwan. As a professional manufacturer of high-grade chip alumina ceramic substrates, and for the goal of a global advanced chip resistor ceramic substrates factory. Our production and core technology drive us to maintain our leading position in the international market. With the increasingly mature technology of fine ceramic substrates for chip resistors as the base, our R&D team is constantly working towards developing better zirconia-toughened alumina substrates, high-precision thin-film resistor substrates, and 99.6% high-purity alumina substrates, in order to expand our capacity in non-resistor products, to meet the requirements of precision circuits and accurate electric control for our clients, such as electric vehicle companies, LED module packaging companies, and IGBT module companies. Moreover, we focus on the development of advanced non-oxide substrates, such as aluminum nitride substrate and silicon nitride substrates, to fulfill the requirements on special characteristics, such as heat thermal conductivity and high bending strength. Leatec focuses on the manufacturing and processing technology of alumina fine ceramic substrates for the realization of high power transmission and the strategic arrangement in the automotive field. Our R&D team has been devoted to product and technology development for more than 30 years, and our knowledge and know-how in fine ceramic resistor substrates will continue to be the technical platform for our development in the future. With our enthusiasm for R&D technology, we have established a complete high-precision automated manufacturing line, which effectively controls the cost and thereby strengthens the competitiveness of our products. The production line includes processing, such as powder granulation, forming, punching, sintering, automatic classification, and surface treatment, which can meet our clients' demands for high dimensional accuracy and surface fineness. Moreover, we have developed machining processes, including dry pressing, hydraulic pressure forming, laser cutting and scribing, lapping, grinding, and polishing, to provide clients with diverse services. Leatec has obtained patents in the US, China, and Taiwan with our leading technology. Leatec also obtained international quality certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and IATF 16949. We are capable of providing our global clients with a full range of products with high quality and price competitiveness. Therefore, we have maintained our leading position in fields such as fine ceramic substrates for chip resistors, hybrid IC substrates, sensor substrates, and automotive electronic substrates. More specifically, our products with excellent functional characteristics and quality, including 98% alumina thin film substrates with high fineness surfaces, an ultra-thin substrate with a thickness of only 75 micrometers, and zirconia-toughened alumina substrates of high tenacity and flexibility have won trust and praise from international companies. In addition, Leatec takes Taiwan as the R&D and design base and global operations center, while our product R&D ability is centered on the core needs of customers. We also have established a complete production and sales service system. We have actively strengthened our global arrangement by setting up a production base in Kunshan, China. The localized production makes it possible to provide our clients with the most convenient, efficient, and real-time production services. In the highly competitive electronic products market, Leatec manages to support our global clients to effectively complete their product designs and manufacturing, while improving their product quality and yield by our extensive product solutions in the fields of fine ceramic plates and high-grade electronic components. Leatec always adheres to the operating philosophy of thinking globally and becoming the client's strongest material supplying partner in global electronics, semiconductors, passive components, and automotive fields. We will continue to focus on strengthening core competencies, providing unique values, and pursuing sustainable business. Leatec looks forward to working with you to create a better future. Leatec Fine Ceramics Company Limited.